If you just open Revit and felt completely lost, you're not alone. Most beginners quit right here because the interface looks confusing. But in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to understand this entire interface. If this is your first time opening Revit, you are in the right place. No experience needed. I'll guide you step by step. Hello, welcome to Novel Architects Consult. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you don't miss out. Step 1. Open Revit. Once you open Revit, this is what you will see. These are the recent projects you saved in Revit. Each time you save a project, you have them here. And to open other projects, you can click here and select the folder you saved the project. To create a new project, click New, choose an architectural template. Select this arrow. You can use the metric architectural template. Think of a template as a ready-made setup. It saves you from building everything from scratch. Select it and click OK. Step 2. Understanding the interface. Now this is where most beginners get confused, but I'll simplify it for you. Revit interface is divided into 4 parts. The first part is the ribbon. These are your tools. Everything you use to model lives here. We have the walls, doors, windows, the ceiling, and all the rest. If you select an object, you have more tools. These are the modification tools. The second part is the property panel. This controls how things behave. Every object you select changes this panel. If you select anything, you can see it here. You can make adjustments to it in the property panel. The third part is the project browser. This is like your project map. Every view, floor plan, and sheet is here. We have the levels here. Even if you are creating a multi-story building, you have all the levels right here. We have the ceiling plans. The elevations are here also. We have the legends, the schedules, and the sheets. The fourth part is the drawing area. This is where your building comes to life. This is where you make all your sketch. You create your floor plans here. Once you understand just these 4 areas, Revit becomes much easier. Step 3. Navigation. If you can't move around, you cannot work. Scroll your mouse back and forth to zoom in and zoom out. Hold middle mouse to pan. Press Shift and hold your middle mouse to orbit. Practice this for a few seconds. This alone makes a huge difference. Step 4. Levels and views. Here is something that makes Revit different. Let's open one of the elevations. These are the levels. Levels are like floors in building. For example, if you are modeling a bungalow, the first level should be the natural ground level. Then you have the DPC level, you have the roof level. If you are creating a multi-story building, you have other levels like the first floor, the second floor, and so on. Afterwards, you can adjust the height, select it, enter the dimensions. Do the same thing here. You can as well edit it. You can change this to natural ground level, the second one, floor plan, and so on. And we still have the 3D views. After modeling your project, you click here to open the 3D view. You are not just drawing, you are building in a real world environment. After this setting, you can save your project, click on File, Save, enter the name of the project, and select the folder, and save the project. Now you understand the interface and how to move around. But here is the problem. You still don't know what the tools actually do. And if you try to start a project now, you will get stuck. In the next video, I'll show you the exact tools you must know before creating your first project. If this video helps you, comment "I'm ready" and tell me what part of Revit confuses you the most. I'll cover it in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification so you don't miss out.